In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Outlook app on PC. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to end your Outlook session on a Windows computer, and I'll point out a couple of tips so you know exactly what's happening at each stage. Start by opening Outlook on your PC. If you're using the new Outlook for Windows or the web version, you can go to the Outlook website in your browser and sign in so you're looking at your inbox. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for the gear icon. That's the settings button. Click it to open the quick settings panel. This panel helps you control how Outlook behaves, and it's where we'll access the account controls. From the settings panel or the full settings view, choose account. Selecting account brings you to the place where Outlook keeps your connected email accounts and sign-in preferences. It's useful to visit here before you sign out, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. Next, choose email account. This opens a list of the accounts currently linked to Outlook on this device or in this app experience. You should see your email address listed here with management options beside it. Find your account, click Manage next to it, and then select Remove. This does not delete your email or your Microsoft account. It simply disconnects the account from this Outlook app on this PC. Think of it like removing a profile from the app so it won't automatically load your messages the next time someone opens Outlook on this computer. If you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and confirm. If you use multiple accounts and you want to fully detach them from this app, repeat this manage and remove action for each one. With that complete, look back up to the top right corner of Outlook and click your profile picture or your initials. This opens your account menu and is the quickest way to end your current session. Finally, select Sign Out. Outlook will close your session and return you to the sign-in page. If you previously chose to stay signed in, you might be asked to confirm sign out, or you may see a prompt the next time you visit. On shared devices, it's a good idea to close the browser tab or the Outlook window after signing out to prevent anyone from returning to your inbox. That's it. You remove the account from the app so it won't linger on this PC, and you signed out to end the session. Thanks for watching, and now you're all set to keep your Outlook account secure on your computer.